Hello everyone, this is Shweta. Welcome to the Innovative Workspace. Today we will discuss about how we can add attachment in our form within a specific extension like .xls, .pdf, .doc, like that. Let me show you with an example. Here if I am attaching the another extension file, so it will give me an error that only PDF files can be attached. Now I am selecting the PDF file. So it is not giving me error. So how we can achieve this functionality? Let's see in this video. I have one screen. In this screen, I have form control and there is a two buttons is there. One is cancel button, one is submit button. Select this card. On card on add file properties, we will write a code. If count rows filter, we have filter our data card value dot attachments dot name. Here we will, after this filter, we will split this name last. We are using here last function, split dot value, and value if you want XLS PDF accordingly you can get. Here I am using PDF. If value is not equal to PDF, and here I am giving it 0. If count rows is greater than 0. If it comes, then notify the select PDF file, and I am giving notification type error. Else I am setting one variable, set where validation attachment, it comes true. So here this variable, we can call this variable on visible property, set. I am making it false so that once user is come on this screen, so this variable value is false. Now on this submit button, on the display mode property, we are giving this display mode if the variable is true. If variable name is equal to true, then display mode is disabled. First let me check. Display mode, if there is a no error, then it's their validation attachment. It's true. Okay. So when this is true, then display mode dot edit, else display mode dot disable. And also this on select property, we can write our submit form function. Submit form, then your form name. My form name is here, form product. So let's see how it's working. Here, if I am attaching Excel file, it is giving me error. Now, if I am selecting the PDF file, so it is also giving me error because there is CSV files is also attached. Let me remove it. You can see now submit button is enabled. Also, we can make it reset. So here, where we giving the notification type error, here we can also give the reset and then data card value 5 underscore 1. So when I am selecting the another file, so it will be reset. Thank you for watching.